Branches of grammar. Look, there are two major branches of grammar. The first is formal or traditional grammar. Sometimes we call it formal grammar, or sometimes we also call it traditional grammar. The second is functional grammar. Let us first discuss about formal or traditional grammar. What is this? Point number one. It is a framework for the study of the structure of a language. Look, formal or traditional grammar. It is a framework. Framework means it is a structure. It is like an outline for the study of the structure of a language. Means formal or traditional grammar helps us to study the structure of language. Go to the next point. It has its root in the work of classical Greek and Latin language. Look, formal or traditional grammar finds its root, traces its root in the work of classical languages like Greek and Latin. Look, at one point of time in the history of language, Greek language and Latin language in the past, they were very famous, and other languages like English, they used to derive all the grammatical rules from those languages. Therefore, formal or traditional grammar, it has its root in the work of classical languages like Greek and Latin. Go to the next. It is also known as a school grammar. Look, traditional grammar or formal grammar is also generally known as school grammar, which we have been studying since our childhood during our school days. Go to the next. It is the most widespread and elaborate grammar and is widely used in language teaching all over the world. Look, formal or traditional grammar is the widely used grammar all over the world. It is widespread and it's elaborate, means that its scope is very wide, and people all over the world in some way or the other are familiar with formal or traditional grammar. Why? Because we have always studied this kind of grammar in our school days. Go to the next.